Welcome to Daily Insta Live series of 109 health hacks to have a super healthy lifestyle. Whoever is joining my Insta Live, welcome. Whoever is joining for the first time, special welcome to you. Today's topic is very different topic. So many of my friends, relatives, and also my customers, they ask me what is about the oil pulling and which oil to use. Frankly speaking, even though I'm a medical professional for new people, welcome again. My name is Dr. M.K. Shivani. I'm a medical professional, serial entrepreneur, and wellness coach, nutrigenomics consultant, where my mission is to help people to have a super healthy lifestyle and life of balance. So I keep covering different aspects, not theory. It's a practical tips, tried and tested with my own experience. So today is about the oil pulling. Long back I have heard about oil pulling and I was not believing in that. So what is oil pulling? Whenever you get up in the morning, our habit is that we go to the bathroom and we brush our teeth. But whenever we get up, if we use oil, especially coconut oil, or if you use til sona oil, and just keep in your mouth and just swirl it around like a mouthwash for 5 to 20 minutes, what will happen is then you spit it out. You will see the color of that oil getting changed to a different color. You just experience the oil peeling tomorrow morning. You may be having coconut oil at home or til sona oil or sunflower oil you can take, but it's a better to take coconut oil or til sona oil. Just without talking to anyone, just take that half spoon of oil into the mouth. Just use it like a mouthwash. Just gargle it. Just feel that oil towards your teeth and gums. So what are the benefits? It will have a tremendous benefit for whitening of the teeth. Your gum condition will be improved. If you are having a jaw problem, that will get relief. If you have a bad breath, that you will overcome. It will detoxify. If you have migraine, or for special male people, you have got night hangover, it will go. And it has proven to increase the metabolism rate to some extent in the weight loss, as it removes the toxins and it helps in metabolism. So you just try this quick method of oil pulling in the morning. You will see the color of the oil is changed. Don't try to spit that oil within 1 or 2 minutes. You have to do it for more time, more than 5 minutes, and you will see the original oil you used is not the same. It gets mixed with the saliva and the toxins produced, and it reduces, it gives the change color. Now the second question people ask me is which oil to use. First of all, let me talk my journey. When I was a child long back, so that time I used to hear dalda and some vegetable oil and all that. As I have taken a education and nutrition, I came to know that definitely the which oil to use is very different. But I'm talking from a general point of view. Especially the oil is decided by women. They go to the market or they have idea which oil to use. That is from their tradition, tradition. And when they go to the market, just they buy the oil which is 1:1 free. It's a general 1:1 free, or they ask somebody there which oil is good or which is the highest oil. Okay, the advertisement, Saffola oil, this oil, and they try to do it, utilize that. So people use groundnut oil, they use soybean oil, vegetable oil, and then sarson ka oil or kardi oil. Typically in the interior of India, they use the handmade oil there, the locally. Now talking about that, when you have to use oil, 2 points to be considered. Don't go into detail, but I'm just talking like that. What is the smoke point? And it is a safe and stable to use. स्मोक पॉइंट वो होता है कि हम जब कोई भी ऑयल यूज करते हैं या डीप फ्राइंग करते हैं, तो दैट इज द पॉइंट, वो टाइम पे जो फैट है वो स्मोक में कन्वर्ट होके ब्रेक डाउन होने लगता है. सो स्मोक पॉइंट होना चाहिए दैट कंटेंट ऑफ the saturated acid और मोनोसैचुरेटेड एसिड ये होना चाहिए. पॉली अनसैचुरेटेड एसिड है, दैट इज वेरी डेंजरस. So don't go into technical. So depending on the safe and stable oil, the content of the saturated acid, which is very good. So depending on that, which is the best oil to use, I am going to tell you. So you can switch over the oil. First of all, it is a myth that you have to prepare food in more of oil. There are so many cookwares available where you need not use oil, or you can use less oil. So that is in which cookware you cook or you fry is very important. So take a very safe cookware, which maybe I will cover up in some other episode, but I will tell you the first best option what I am using is a virgin coconut oil, because का smoke point है 350 है. And second is avocado oil, which is not very easily available and it is a little expensive, so you can go for avocado oil, olive oil and walnut oil. The olive oil में extra virgin olive oil. And again it is a myth that olive oil is used only for the salad dressings. It is not used for the deep frying. First of all, don't go for a deep fry, go for a stir fry, and you can use extra olive or extra virgin olive oil जिसका smoke point is 375. Now which oils are not safe and stable to use? And you will be shocked to know that 99% people are using this oil: corn oil, canola oil, peanut oil, that is groundnut oil, soybean oil and sunflower oil, which is very easily available in any mart. Ladies, go to the market and just see, okay, now this brand is 90 rupees a liter, this brand is 120, 150. So there is two categories. Some people they buy only which is a less, and some people buy which is very high. So thanks for joining, whoever has joined. We have just covered the oil pulling technique in the morning, and we have also covered which oils to use. If you have joined late, please go through my IG video, which is a very common questions that which oils to use for cooking. Definitely, as just now I finished which oils not to use, which been used very commonly for the people are corn oil, canola oil, groundnut oil, soybean oil and sunflower oil. Why? Because they contains polyunsaturated acid. उनका smoke point है वो बहुत low है and it is not safe to use. So कौन सा use करना चाहिए? So the first choice is virgin coconut oil, second is avocado oil, extra virgin olive oil, and ये myth है कि olive oil deep frying के लिए नहीं use करना है. You can use coconut oil. Why? Because इनका smoke point है वो high है. स्मोक पॉइंट मीन्स हम जो खाना पका रहे हैं तो जो फैट होता है ऑयल में से वो हाईएस्ट पॉइंट पे तलने के बाद में जो स्मोक निकलता है वो बहुत देर से निकलता है. जितना जल्दी ऑयल का स्मोक निकलता है दैट इज अनस्टेबल एंड नॉट गुड टू यूज. सो स्विच योर ऑयलिंग हैबिट्स टू virgin coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil or walnut oil. Sometimes you can use this, but definitely switch your oil habits to these. Use less oil, use those special cookwares which does not require oil to cook. It is just a myth कि वो तर्री आना चाहिए और वो oil दिखना चाहिए. You have to really switch over your habits of using oil. Use oil for deep frying to some extent whenever you want to use. Coconut oil is the best. That's what I have told in the beginning. Our oil choice is made because whatever our granny and mummy has told, and when we go to the market we get attracted by the branding and the packaging. Either we take the less 90 rupees liter oil or we take 150 rupees of oil, but we have to see that the one point is the smoke point should be high. The second point is it should contain the saturated fatty acid and not the unsaturated fatty acid or polysaturated acid. And also it is seen that when you use oil, ये oil जब खरीदने जाते हैं तो ये oil best is homemade ghee is also good and homemade butter is also good, but please don't using, just remove that mindset of using soybean oil, sunflower oil, canola, sarson ka oil and all that. Switch over your these habits. So if you want to know more about oil pulling, please see my IG video, which will be uploaded into the next 10 minutes. Hi, my name is Dr. MK Shivani signing off. Stay tuned for tomorrow's health hacks. 109 health hacks to have a super healthy lifestyle. Signing off for the day. Have a great day ahead.